RRP NTPC General Studies Previous Year Bits 2016 Model Paper number 10. The chairman and other members of the UPSC hold office for the term of answer 6 years. International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed on answer 25th November. Valley of Flowers National Park is located at answer Uttarakhand. Sarayu River flows through which states? Answer Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Which blood capsules help to build up resistance against the disease? Answer leukocytes. What is the symbol for lead? Answer Pb. Malacca Strait connects which water bodies? Answer the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Lucifer is another name for the planet. Answer Venus. Ambubasi Fair celebrated every year in which temple? Answer Kamakya Temple. What are the parts of a wave? Answer crest and trough. Capital of South Korea is answer Seoul. The revolutionary who authored the famous pamphlet Why I Am Atheist is Bhagat Singh. Niccolo Conti visited India in court of which ruler? Answer Devaraya I. Two different isotopes of an element have different answer number of neutrons. Which famous leader said the quote be the change that you wish to see in the world? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. The Constituent Assembly adopted constitution in which year? Answer 1949. Ahmad Shah Abdali occupied Delhi during the reign of which Mughal emperor? Answer Alamgir II. Once a satellite has been launched into orbit, the only force governing its motion is the force of answer gravity. Which vitamin is needed to prevent xerophthalmia? Answer retinol. Addition of ferric oxide to glass gives which color? Answer brown color. Who was the first Indian to receive the Booker Prize? Answer Salman Rushdie. The executive power of the Union shall be vested in President under which article? Answer 53 article. Which is the largest Gurudwara in India? Answer Sri Harmandir Sahib. Kalamkari painting refers to? Answer a hand painted cotton textile in South India. Which is the second state of India to adopt Panchayat Raj system after Rajasthan? Answer Andhra Pradesh. Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and answer Pakistan. Lenz's law gives us answer direction of current. Dandiya dance form is associated with which state? Answer Gujarat.